Hello, it's me again, LaSharika, and I'm going to be doing an unboxing of an order, just a real quick, small, simple order I placed on Oriental Trading when I was working in childcare for many years. We used to order things for the daycare center from Oriental Trading. I didn't realize the extent of what they have to offer, but since becoming a homeschool mom, they do have a lot of different things on there that you can use in your home, in your homeschool life, in your just regular birthday parties. I mean, they really have it all. So here is our box, and because we just recently moved, our homeschool room the size has changed, and we need to get some stuff up on the walls. So I placed the order, and I got a new bulletin board set. This set right here, when I seen it, I said this would be nice. So this is the Civil Rights Pioneer set. And so this is what's inside, what's included. And I seen that and I was like, this would really be nice to add to our homeschool life. We're not just learning Black history in February, we're pretty much learning history, our Black history throughout the year. So I thought that would be a good addition for our walls. I also ordered another Black History Month bulletin board. This one, so this came, the box was kind of dinged up. The plastic is kind of open, but it's okay because I think it's still in good shape. Now, this is a little bent. I'm not sure how I feel about this. I'm not sure if I'm going to reach out to them or not, but look how pretty and vibrant that is. So, you know, when you're placing an order online, you're really not sure what you're getting all the time. So when you're seeing the colors are vibrant, you're like, oh, how's it going to look in person? So this, it looks vibrant online, and it also is vibrant in person. These colors are popping. I love everything about this. I cannot wait to put this on our walls. Not sure if I'm going to laminate them first to keep them in good shape, but just look at that. I mean, they are so nice. They are really nice. And this is just a nice little added feature to have for the children to be able to go walk up to the walls, read about our different, history and the African American community. I just think it's a great bonus for them to have, to be able to always look up and see. So I got that. I also ordered a set of Caption This Black History. These is 39 cards in this set and one instruction card. I thought this was nice. Also a nice added bonus. So it has different cards with different parts of African American history. This is the Amendment 15 card. This card is Booker T. Washington. So it's just a whole host of cards with a host of information on the back about the person. About what's going. This is the Million Man March of 1995. So this is the back. Just so much information that we have right, in our hands, can hold in our hands. The kids can pass them around. We can talk about it. So, and then look at this little nice box it comes in. So I have a place to store them, and I like that. That was a nice bonus because I don't know if I've seen that it comes in this. I also purchased these magnets for my toddler to start structuring sentences. So they're magnetic. All of these are magnets. So then I'm going to get a magnetic board, and we'll be adding some magnetic words, letters, so that he can, so these are the verbs, the adjectives. Oop, they sticking together on me. Hold on. Nouns, and it's 2 sheets of the nouns that he'll be able to work with building sentences. I thought that was nice. Can't wait to put those to use. And last but not least, one of my favorites, because I am a bookworm and I'm raising bookworms. So all the kids are pretty good. All of the older kids are good at reading. They always read and have a new book. So I bought these Black History bookmarks. They're so cute. Look, just look. They're so cute. Like I said before, Oriental Trading, check them out if you need something to buy, if you want to buy some type of homeschool supplies, whatever you can think of, party supplies, Oriental Trading has it. I'm glad that I came across it because I'm always looking for some different Black history things to add to my homeschool life, the homeschool classroom. So check them out. Check them out is what I can say. And thank you for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. See you guys later.